Before the pandemic. That was before 2020. Like a good. I think I've been listening to Twin Swanny Boy since 2016, 17. Yeah, man. Bad artist, man. You know what I'm saying? So a long time I listened to Prince Swanny. And man, I've been putting in work ever since he came on the scene, man. You know what I'm saying? Been putting in that work. Shit, I've been listening to Prince Swanny since 2016. Damn. Prince Swanny been in game for damn near 7 years now, if not more. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. So big up Prince Swanny, and he dropped a song today called "Guns Like These," which I didn't even know until Judah put me on. Iro, big up yourself. Iro, big up yourself, me G. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to the live. If you're coming to the live, hit that like button. You know, hit that subscribe button so the like can go there. People can join. The vibes over here are so nice. Become part of the family. You don't know. So Iro, hit that like button, man. Hit that like button and drop your requests if you have any. You know what I'm saying? Welcome and join the live on the vibes. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna react to Prince Swanny, Guns Like These. You don't know. Like I said, Prince Swanny needs no introduction. If you're watching the rerun of this, man, y'all missed the live, but you know what I'm saying? This the reaction. The live is lit. Try not to miss the live next time. You know what I'm saying? Like man, I say. We got the whole damn mafia in the chat, you know what I'm saying? Our has our vibe late night. Us enjoying ourselves listening to good music, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, Prince Swanny. We're reacting to Prince Swanny, Guns Like These. He dropped it a few hours ago, you know what I'm saying? And it's a dope track. Well, I haven't listened to it, so how the hell I'm supposed to do? But Prince Swanny is a dope artist, so it should be a dope track, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go check it out right now. Judah just put me on, asked me to react to it, so we're gonna do it right now. Prince Swanny, Guns Like These. I'm expecting good things, man. This is Prince Swanny, damn it. You know what I'm saying? We'll jump right into the track. This is Prince Swanny, Guns Like These. Let's get it. Global, like side and train. We're going global. I mean, Prince Swanny, man. Yeah, man, Prince Swanny, you're definitely talented. You can definitely go global, my G. To you, man. I'm about glad with them.
Go global, baby. Die. Start the killing me, go and ride. Drive, by. Them pussy, them know them die. Try. Start the killing me, go and ride. Drive, by. Them know.
I don't start the killing me, go and ride. Drive by, I don't know I got that. Hey, be able to
say we are the bad guys. Guns like this, we make knock like knees on the point and squeeze. Them pussy, them no bad like we.
Guns like these, when I'm telling my guns like these, when they knock like these, when we pint line squeeze. I want to be able to say.
Them pussy, them no bad like we. Hey, guns like this, we make knock like knees on the point and squeeze. Them pussy, them no bad like we. 8 ball in cup with the sea.
Yeah, ball in cup with the hey boy, easy yourself.
Now we no pretend, now we no play defense. A regular we march on the enemies and give them Draco with the wooden grip and jump me give them the
man say we no pretend and we no play defense. Regular we march on the ends with the hey, pan the Draco cannot be a shot them we give them a arm to you, man. Yo, we no pretend and we no play defense around here. Yeah, but that's that the best defense is an offense. So me no blame him. As in, me not go sit down and wait for you to come for me. I come for no man. I'm to you. We not play defense, always play offense, bro. You know what I'm saying? We not wait for shot bust off and we and retaliate. We bust shot off a boy. I'm to you, make them have to retaliate. Easy now?
Attack a be a gunshot we give them. We are fun, but love the bus we gun. I be a vibes in a beam when the touch this one. Me load up the whole of them in a the taxi van. Now where the taxi gone. Guns like
say we love have fun, but we love bus we gonna to your man out in here when man tell about guns like these. Eh? Yeah, man, I tell you about guns like these. You never hear when the man I tell you, well, you hear when him say about guns like here I go on.
Like this we make knock like knees on the point and squeeze. Them pussy them no bad like we. Them pussy them no bad like we. Hey, guns like this we make knock like knees on the point and squeeze. Them pussy them no bad like we. Yeah, balling.
Yeah, the tune a bad, yo. The tune a bad. I'm bad to this. Judah, you alright? Judah, big up your damn self.
Cook with the sea. Die. Talk the killing me going right.
Zanil, big up yourself, man. See you next time, bro. Appreciate the love and support. You know what I'm saying? See you next time, bro. You know me, every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I'm also have pop-up lives during the day, so look out for that. You know what I'm saying? Big up your damn self. Dan Mafia, big up yourself.
Drive by, and pussy them know them die. First them jump out, never see nobody out. Come they put food in their mouth. But them love to talk, so me let them put on for the crowd.
Yo, first them jump out, me not see nobody out. You know, hey. Beg
traffic guide me, come me don't know where me I go. See this journey when me on it, I'm very paro. Don't know if tomorrow me will see my shadow, but me fight my battles. I'm a fierce child. If me tell about my
man, say, I don't know tomorrow me will see me shadow in a dog, but me fight my battles and fear. And I'm saying so tomorrow I can't dead dog.
Peace, them no see my sorrow. That is on the road, my wife and I see now. Guns like this, we make knock like knees on the point and squeeze. Them pussy, them no bad like we. Them pussy, them no bad like we. Hey.
Guns like these when we point and squeeze. Hey, I like the hook, bro. The hook dope as hell, man. This might get added to the playlist as well.
Guns like this, we make knock like knees on the point and squeeze. Them pussy, them no bad like we. Eat balling, cook with the sea.
Yo, man. Shit, man. Hey, Bomba, big up the Swandan, man. Bomba, the Z-Tech boss, man. Bomba, Swandan, Swanny. Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Yeah, man, that was dope. That was Prince Swanny Guns IDs. That's a dope ass track. Yeah, man, that might get added to the playlist. I wonder if he's gonna do a video for this one. You know what I'm saying? I think that's on video worthy. Yeah, what y'all think? Let me know what y'all think about that one, guys. Yeah, I think that's video worthy, man. I like that. Might get added to the playlist. Dope track so far, man. We've been listening to some dope tracks so far. We've been vibing. Energy been dope, guys. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. Yo, we there have vibe, that mafia. Big up on yourself. Man. Yeah, I can't wait to get the news. So more than anything, that more energy and vibes are coming to the blowout, to the live, them. You know, see me? Yeah, man. So we jump back on some of the Judah said Rebel and Lion was the realest out of 6. Rebel and Lion. Rebel 6 and K Lion was the realest out of 6. Oh shit, okay. Plumpy, Kratos and Medboss, Arrow. There used to be Z-Tech with Swanny, but no more. Yeah man, Plumpy, Kratos and Medboss. Okay, I've been listening to Prince Swanny and freestyling with him and others since we were going to school. Yeah man, that's what's up. Kratos, Brad